glowing from within. That's exactly what Merit is giving us today.
No basic song.
Hey Stush Gang, welcome back to another day in the Stush Life. Today is kind of like another day in the Stush Life, but it's also another slay with Stushy. So today I'm just chilling in the house, but I wanted to throw on a little bit of makeup. I'm mostly just going to be completing some items on my to-do list, and I might actually step out a little bit later to help one of my friends organize her new space, her new spot. So I wanted to come on here and just kind of get ready with you guys. I wanted it to be more like a chill vlog slash get ready with me kind of video. So before we start this video, if you're new, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below. I would love for you to join the Stush Gang. We're on the road to 5K, and we would love for you to become a part of the gang. And make sure you guys watch this video in its entirety. There are usually bloopers at the end of all of my videos. And if you have any questions or comments about anything that happens in today's video, feel free to leave that down below. Let's continue the conversation. So I'm sitting down at my vanity makeup station, and I'm just sipping some tea to get my day started. I usually don't have breakfast. I usually go for like brunch around like 2, 3. So as I mentioned, I'm in the house, but I do want to just put on a little bit of makeup. I'm not really feeling a full glam look today. You guys know I'll do my makeup and just sit in the house to record videos for you guys, but today I want to do something a little bit less. I don't want to do that full face of makeup today. So for makeup today, I'm actually going to be using some new products from this new brand that has recently launched at Sephora, and it is the brand Merit. So as you guys can see, I have a few goodies here. Do a thumbnail real quick. Quick backstory about Merit. Merit is founded by Catherine Power. She is the CEO and founder of Who What Wear, which is in Target. I'm pretty sure I have a few pieces from Who What Wear because I love Target fashion. She's also the founder and CEO of Verse, which is another brand that is in Target. It is actually a skincare brand, and now the owner of Merit, which is a minimalist beauty brand that recently launched in Sephora, as I just mentioned. So she really believes in the idea that less is more. When she made Merit, she wanted the products to be clean. She wanted the products to be safe for the environment and safe for our skin. And Merit's products are also cruelty-free and vegan. So love that. So let's go ahead and dive into today's box. I've actually been holding these products for a while now, but I haven't been able to sit down and really play with them. So today we're going to be playing with them. My product came in a reusable makeup bag, which is really cute. Let me just go ahead and open it up. Real cute. And I was able to pick out a few different goodies from Merit's site. Okay, to get started, I'm going to go ahead and spoolie my brows just a little bit. I'm going to be using their Brown 1980 Volumizing Brow Pomade in the color Black Brown. This is what it looks like. Really cute so far. Packaging is stunning. Very chic, but still very, you know, minimalistic, very nice. And I'm just going to spoolie them on my brows. Let's see. Can y'all see that? I'm focusing it on my tail because I really don't have out here on my tail. You could definitely see the difference. That's the brow added the pomade to, and that's the regular brow. Okay, so she definitely gave her a little bit more oomph. I'm gonna do the other brow as well. Do you guys have a favorite brow? I think my favorite brow is this one, but I feel like I could do this brow better. Does that make sense? Okay, those are brows. Definitely gonna clean my brows up just a little bit with my complexion stick because again, we're trying to, you know, do a no makeup kind of look. But I am gonna go ahead and prime my face really quickly. So now that my face is primed, I'm now going to be going in with their Minimalist Perfection Complexion Stick. Really cute name for the products, and I actually, again, love the packaging. I did choose 2 shades because I wanted to use one for my foundation and the other one for my contour, my cream contour. So I'm going to first go in with the shade Chestnut. This is what Chestnut looks like. And let's see, I'm just gonna go ahead and add it directly to my face. Cute. Will it cover my dark spots? Let's see. And before I blend that out, I'm actually going to use a little bit of Chestnut and try to carve out my brows just a little bit. I just did underneath my brow. I'm not going to carve out the top. I'm going to go in with the #1 blending brush from Merit. This is really cute as well. Love packaging. They get an A+ for packaging for me. Y'all know how I feel about packaging. Are my dark spots playing peekaboo? Kinda, but I am getting slightly some coverage. So I'm just gonna go over and see if I can cover my dark spots after I've blended everything out. And I'm using mostly natural sunlight, and I have my ring light over here. I do want to note that. And I'm bringing it down onto the neck. You know what? I think that the sweatsuit that I'm wearing today is actually from either Who What Wear or A New Day. If you guys are familiar with those brands at Target, then let me know. But I think it might be from one of the, let me see. It's from Who What Wear. Let me see if my camera can pick it up. It's definitely from Who What Wear. I definitely have some Who What Wear pieces. I didn't even really think about it too much when I picked this out. I just wanted a matching set. In the event that I actually do go outside, I want to look semi-decent, you know. I'm going to go back in with just a little bit of Chestnut and try to see if I could target my dark spots. But it's definitely giving me like tinted moisturizer vibes, which is perfect for those days where you don't really want to wear, you know, a lot of makeup. And I don't think I have a lot of blemishes or a lot of hyperpigmentation, so my spots aren't peeking through too much. And I actually really like the brush. The brush definitely works well with the products. Okay. So that's just with the complexion stick. So I want to go in with the darker shade. I want to go in with Umber and just do a cute, calm low contour. And I'm using the same brush. And I'm going to do a little bit along the jawline as well. And it's fairly easy to blend out with this brush. Now I'm going in with Merit's Flush Balm Cheek Color. This is the color Raspberry Beret, which is really cute. It is this plum shade, as you guys can see. I'm going to use the brush and I'm going to dab right into it. Definitely getting that color payoff. And just flush it along my cheeks. Oh, that's definitely giving a little bit. It looks like I'm naturally blushing. Does that make sense? So that is Raspberry Beret. I'm dabbling just a little bit on my nose as well for a flirty look. Now for the product that I've been dying to try out, it is the Day Glow Highlighting Balm, and this is the color Bounce. Again, packaging is everything. It's really pretty. It's almost like a rose gold pink, and I'm gonna work it along the high points of my cheek. It's definitely a balm. I kind of was expecting a little bit more color, not gonna lie. It's definitely giving highlight, but it's not like pigment highlight, if that makes sense. I'm gonna add a little bit to my brow bone, to my nose, a little bit to my cupid's bow. So this is the face so far. This is the skin so far. How are we looking? It's definitely giving my skin, but better for sure. Let's give it like natural, radiant. Definitely giving less is more. That's exactly what I'm getting from the products. The last product that I'm actually gonna be trying out with you guys from Merit Beauty is the shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. And this is in the color Sangria. Let's see, does this have a scent? No, it has absolutely no scent. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the lips. It's definitely giving sangria vibes. It's like a mix between like a very deep orange and a wine red, if that makes sense. Oh, it feels really good on the lip. Oh wow, I like this. It feels really good on the lip. It feels just like a lip oil. I mean, duh, it is a lip oil, but it feels really good. This I would definitely wear again, for sure. So this is the skin right now. Okay, so one thing I am going to do is put on some lashes, so that is exactly what I did. Okay, I'm mad that I actually didn't pick up the mascara from Merit Beauty because I definitely could have tried that out on my bottom lashes, but it's okay. I'm really tempted to use a pressed powder on my face to make sure everything lasts, but because I want to get the true Merit experience, I'm not going to set the products with any powder or anything, but I am going to do my hair really quickly. I think I want to just flat iron it just a little bit. This is a new headband wig. I know I'm headband wig mommy for the month of February. This headband wig is from Amazon. I'll go ahead and link it down below. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my flat iron. I'm just gonna run my flat iron through it just a little bit because we're not doing too much today anyway. Let's talk about the products from Merit that I actually really enjoyed. The first thing is definitely going to be their #1 brush. This brush is really nice for blending out the products. I can't wait to add it to my makeup routines, and I definitely want to see how it washes. I hope I could get it back to its natural color. I'll update you guys on that in a future video, but I definitely like how it blended everything out that we used today. Second thing that I actually enjoyed was the Volumizing brow pomade. As you guys can see, it gave me a cute little brow. Obviously, you know, we're going for a no makeup look today, so it's not my normal brow, but I definitely would leave the house like this. I think it actually looks really good. It gave me like a feathered brow look, so I actually really like the Volumizing brow pomade from them. I definitely want more of their shade slicks. These lip oils feel really good, and it looks really nice on my lip as well. I'm happy that I chose this color for sure. Yeah, she's cute. I want some more colors. Definitely get the pigment. It's not really sheer. You do get a lot of pigment from these lip oils. And I actually like the complexion stick. I definitely would like to see some more colors from Merit Beauty, but Chestnut definitely worked for my complexion. So yeah, this is the face from Merit. And I also love the baggie. I love the reusable makeup bag as well that is sent with your order. It's a cute little bag for you to store your makeup in, and I would actually wear this outside. Like, I would wear this as a regular load bag. If I'm like running to the store real quick and I need to put my keys or anything in there, I would definitely use this bag. So you might see this on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me at the Stush Life. But yeah, love this bag. So what headband do I want to put on? Something to go with my outfit. Do I want to put on my cow print headband? I'm obsessed with cows if you're new here. No, this one is too big. No, I think I want to put my 7 Mia headband on. I think this is the headband for today, guys. On some days, I really don't feel like putting in earrings. I think today is that day. So let's see, how's the face looking? We're looking very dewy, very radiant, glowing from within. That's exactly what Merit is giving us today. Yeah, I definitely think this headband works with today's outfit. Again, my outfit is from Who What Wear. I got this maybe like a year ago at Target. If I can find the set, I'll leave a link down below. But all of the Merit products that I use today will be linked down below if you guys want to check out any of the products that I use today. So overall, this is a cute little look. I'm not gonna lie, the highlighting balm is definitely showing out because that's all I'm seeing when I'm looking at my viewfinder. So I'm definitely gonna try it underneath the Perfecting complexion sticks just to see how it performs. But yeah, she's definitely showing out. I'm glowing for sure. So yeah, I'm about to go get some work done. My birthday is in less than a month, and I'm actually turning 26, so I have to start getting my life together, okay? To register my car because my car's birthday is around my birthday, so I just have a lot of things that I need to get done, that I need to check off the list before March comes rolling in. And then, as I mentioned, I might actually go outside. So that's pretty much all I have for today's video. Let me know how you guys are feeling the minimalistic look down below. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget, if you guys would like to check out any of Merit's new products, I'll leave them linked down below. If you enjoyed today's video, don't head out before leaving your girl a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe down below. If you're new here, we would love for you to officially become a part of the Stush gang. Make sure you also turn on your post notifications so that way you're alerted whenever I upload the next video. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you guys are going to be picking up anything from Merit. Let me know how you guys feel about my no makeup look. And yeah, with that being said, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for checking in for today's video. Until next time, I'll see you guys all later. Bye guys. So for makeup today, which is a skincare brand that is also in Target, I don't believe I have any. If you're new, if you're interested, if you guys on Instagram at the Stush Life, so you might see this on my Instagram. Follow me on, because that's all I'm seeing when I'm using.